Hi guys, today's video we're going to check out the 5 best electric car jack kit on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Conpex 003 Electric Car Jack Kit. The Conpex 003 Electric Car Jack Kit is a revolutionary 6-in-1 solution for automotive repairs, offering versatility and ease of use. Made in mainland China, it has ISO 9001 certification and is designed for automotive repairs. With a maximum loading capacity of 5 tons and a maximum height of 360 mm 450 mm, it can handle various tasks with ease. The kit also features a 30A fuse for safety, ensuring the jack operates within safe parameters. The kit weighs just 12.4 kilograms per set and is highly portable with a BMC bag for easy storage and transport. Conpex offers a 12-month warranty and OEM/ODM support, ensuring customer satisfaction and a hassle-free experience. The kit is an essential addition to any toolkit, making it an ideal choice for on-the-go automotive enthusiasts. Number 4. QC0254 Electric Car Jack Kit. The QC0254 Electric Car Jack Kit is a revolutionary tool for automotive maintenance. It offers a 5-ton lifting capacity suitable for various vehicles, including sedans and SUVs. The jack can be adjusted to 155 to 450 mm or 155 to 530 mm, allowing for easy adjustments for specific tasks. It's efficient electric power, rated at 180 W and powered by a DC 12V supply, ensures quick and efficient lifting. The QC0254 is manufactured in mainland China, ensuring durability and longevity. The user-friendly electric hydraulic system allows for smooth operation, saving time on lifting and more time on the road. The kit is suitable for enthusiasts and professional mechanics, making it a valuable addition to any garage or workshop. The QC0254 is a game-changer in the automotive maintenance industry. Number 3. FOVOW ZS3S JTBC Electric Car Jack Kit. The FOVOW ZS3S JTBC Electric Car Jack Kit is a revolutionary tool that combines efficiency, power, and convenience in car maintenance. It offers a robust 100W rated power, a lifting range of 120 to 370 170ths to 420 mm, and a 480 Nm maximum torque for secure grip. The kit is certified by C&ROWS, ensuring compliance with European safety and environmental standards. It operates at a DC 12V voltage, drawing a maximum current of 13A, and features a 3.5 meters power cable for flexibility. The air compressor has a maximum pressure of 150 psi and an airflow rate of 35 Lmin, providing versatility. The kit's 10A compressor current and 0.65 meters air hose length provide ample power and reach for tire inflating. The compact and lightweight design makes it an ideal companion for road trips and emergency situations. Number 2. FOVOW ZSTT03 Electric Car Jack Kit. The FOVOW ZSTT03 Electric Car Jack Kit is a revolutionary tool that offers convenience, efficiency, and power for car maintenance. It has an impressive lifting range, accommodating vehicles with heights ranging from 155 mm to 450 mm or 155 mm to 530 mm. It has a maximum loading capacity of 5 T, making it suitable for heavier vehicles. The jack's rated power of 150 W and DC 12V operation voltage ensures swift and efficient lifting. It meets the highest safety standards with C&ROWS certifications, ensuring a secure lifting experience. The user-friendly design with a 4-meter power cable provides flexibility and convenience. With a maximum torque of 420 Nm, it can tackle tough lug nuts and bolts, saving time and effort during tire changes and other maintenance tasks. The kit also functions as an efficient air pump for tires, providing a comprehensive solution. Number 1. EHEELP Electric Car Jack Kit. The EHEELP Electric Car Jack Kit is a revolutionary tool for automotive maintenance, offering a range of features that make lifting vehicles a breeze. With a maximum lifting capacity of 5 tons, a maximum lifting height of 45 centimeters, and a standby altitude of 15.5 centimeters, it's a reliable choice for most car models. The single-column design ensures stability and precision during operation, while the above-ground installation method simplifies the process. Originating from mainland China, The EHEELP electric car jack kit is certified by CN Rose for safety and environmental standards. It's compatible with standard car power outlets and has a lifting height range of 155 to 450 mm. The 3.5-meter power cord length provides flexibility in choosing a suitable power source. The EHEELP electric car jack kit is a reliable and eco-friendly choice for car enthusiasts. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.